Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 97. Well, closer and closer to 100 episode. Hey Miku, hey Michael, nice to see you Hania. Hey Ron, Catalin, Bucor. Good morning Miku, if you say it's good morning. I don't want to argue with you or Hania. Maybe for Hania it is, but for you definitely is not good morning. We have to wait Stefan to see him doing the same. Good morning. Well, Stefan, I could understand that it's good morning every moment. Yeah. Okay. Hey Abdullah. Well, episode 97. We are at the end of the year, December 1st, last month. Everything looks bullish. Everything looks nice. Well, no reason not to be happy in crypto space. Too bad that this environment will not last forever. You know, couple of months and then it's gone, and we'll miss this environment for the next 4 years. Let's enjoy it. I'm not saying anything else. Let's enjoy it. Let's maximize the profit. Another test for investors like Miku, for example, he's really good at respecting the plan, buying low and selling half on a double. I want to see how we'll pass the test holding when the market is doing 100, 200x. Yeah, when you'll see your portfolio at the low, at I don't know, at one level, and tomorrow will be double, because we'll have environment like this and soon enough. So as you can see on my screen, I have the Kappa 1 trading program here from our site. I think you know what this is about. Kappa 1 is the best program we made, and I think it's cheap. We have an offer until the end of the year. Look at the site in the description of the video and you'll see what is about in Kappa 1. 4 months program, you can see here. Yeah. Introduction part, which is really important. Technical insights, we have 8 lessons, and the practical phase. We are in the practical phase now with the actual students. We'll see next year. I think I'll do only one next year, but who knows. Now let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. As you can see, we bought here. I sold some Bitcoin here at 52, hoping to reload lower. Well, never happened, so I had to reinvest the money in something else. I'm not sorry about that. I still have 60% to the moon, please. I'll sell more at 100. I think so. Not too much, but my plan says to sell some at 100. So now we are attacking that level on weekly basis. You can see last week pretty nice and strong, testing 100k level. This week was just up and down, 10k candle. We can say it's a 10k candle. I think everyone should expect market to consolidate, to fight that 100k level. No, that was the dream of crypto people. Bitcoin to 100k 5 years, 10 years ago was just a dream. Well, some time in the future Bitcoin will hit 100k. I remember 2016, 2017, 2018 when I entered the market. Some people said, well, Bitcoin will hit 100k. Was a story, now it's reality. Yeah, I don't think $400 below makes any difference. So, highest level, you can see we have this one, and the next one is 110. If we'll accept above 100, we can push higher. On the indicators on weekly, I don't see clear weakness. I don't see anything bad. So we can push higher. It will not happen tomorrow, will not happen in 1 hour, but I think we can push higher. And you can see the next level is a lot higher. Yeah? That's Bitcoin on weekly chart. Actually, you know what? Let's go and do a monthly chart. Why? Because we just closed the monthly yesterday, last night. Look at this one. Come on, people. Look at this one. We started the month at 70, we closed at 100 almost. The strongest, the biggest candle ever, I think. With some exceptions with the red ones, because they are quite big. 57, well, we started this one at 59 and we stopped at 30K. Okay, it's still the biggest one. Now, so look at monthly close. Really bullish. We need to consolidate this one at some point in time, sooner than later, yeah. You can see we didn't retest 69K. So at any point in time, people, you should think, well, Bitcoin, it's probable or it's possible to retest that 70K level. If you look at monthly and even weekly, that level needs a retest. Look at how many months we fighted that 70K level. March, April, May, June, July, and I think we'll retest and then we'll push higher. Or we can push higher and then retest and then we'll see what will happen. Okay, so monthly looks really, really strong. Back on weekly, could stay here for another week or two fighting 100K? Yeah, I think so. I don't see weakness on higher time frame. I saw something on 4-hour chart and daily, but that's different. On weekly, we are still strong. But because I said about some weakness on daily, let's see. As you can see, bearish divergence here. Let me show you. Bearish divergence already confirmed on RSI. And OBV is still fighting, it's still strong. But this divergence here, it's actually not so bearish. We just reset ourselves, consolidating, and we can push higher again. Okay, so we can push higher again if we'll consolidate long enough here. Like I said, Miko, you can see, and everyone, you can see, Stefan is here and is good morning. Good morning, Stefan. Now, let's see what we can do on the other charts. I'll stay on weekly for the moment. Why? I want everyone to see this chart. It's a bit different from what we have. I'll do something like this. Yeah. And I'll do something like this. People should know what I'm doing here. It's a study I made. For this study is just Bitcoin. But we can go beyond that. We can go and compare it to Total 3. We can go and do other things. We can compare it with Total 2, seeing altcoins specifically, top 10 and so on. But for the moment, you can see what we have here. It's logarithmic. So that's why we see that logarithmic view. Look at the cycle from 2016 to 2017. From halvening to the top. It's what I made here this time. Yeah, you can see. From halvening to the top. 510 days. Here, 510 days. From halvening to the second top. Because I compared to this one, with the first one here. Yeah, with the 2017. Here was something different. But from what I noticed, this cycle is similar with what we have now. And this cycle with double top here will be similar with the next cycle that will come after this one. So it's skipping one cycle, it's not repeating one after each other. It's like black and white. This is black, this is white, this is black, this is white. You get the idea. And now if you compare that without anything else, we should have the top on this cycle until September 2025. If we compare with 2017, the top should come until then. Will be like 2021 and we'll have it faster in kind of April. End of the year could be. Could be totally different because now we have institutions and we can have at the end of the year a blow off top and then to correct. It's possible. But looking at this one, you can see what I see here. We should have the top in the next 6 months. 9 months. I don't know if that helps you a little bit. I could put something to see some things. Yeah, P cycle. Sorry about the noise, people. You can see here, P cycle hit exactly or almost exactly in the top. P cycle hit in the first top here in 2021. And now, look at what we have now. People are saying, well, this time maybe will not hit. Yeah, maybe will not hit, but I want to see this scenario here. Look at this moving averages. Getting close together, kissing, close to getting together. That's the environment I want to see, and that is the environment I'll pay attention on altcoins. Okay? So, for the moment, you can see, with this bounce, with this pump from 70 to 100K, this red moving average is pushing faster and is getting closer to the next one. Will take some time. Could happen, for example, like in 2017. Well, let's compare it. Where I don't think will happen. Like, I think we still have time. So, respecting this cycle, I think this study is, I don't know. I think we'll respect this time frame. So, I don't think the top will happen now in December. It's just the first part of the cycle. Why I'm saying that? Well, if you know institutions or you studied a little bit, not too much, you will understand that fund managers, they need to brag at the end of the year. You know that? Why? At the end of the year, they will do the results for the 2024. And they have to get new clients, to get more clients, to get more money in their funds. They need to brag and say, well, look at me, I did 200x on the portfolio, or I don't know, 40% or 100%. And they need to realize the gains to be able to brag about it. Otherwise, it's still potential. So they are forced to close the positions, to realize the gains. And they'll start over next year. They are not like us. Well, I don't care. I'll stay in Bitcoin as long as I want. So I think even this year, even if it's really bullish, we'll see some selling before the end of the year. Maybe it's just me. I'm just a stupid trader. It's just my 2 cents. And after that, we'll see what will happen. I'm not worried about, some people ask me, I'm not worried about what will happen with the P cycle. I think even if we'll not touch, the moving average will get close enough. I think we'll still touch, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Okay, so bullish selling in December. Why is bullish selling in December? Bullish dropping, bullish whatever you want. Because it's a buying opportunity. Yeah, if you remember the other chart on weekly, remember this one, a stupid trader was yelling at you and everyone else from the beginning of the year. I said, 2024 is buy the dip year. Just buy the fucking dip. I don't want to be right. I want to help my community. That's why I was yelling every moment, every weekly crypto review. 2024 is buy the dip. In this environment at 59, 60K, when everyone was bearish here, again, well, we'll go back down. I said it's a buying opportunity. I know now everyone is bullish. I'm not worried yet, but I'll be soon enough. So let's take advantage. Let's hope that Bitcoin, at least till the second half of December, will stay trying to test 100K over and over again, fighting that level, and altcoins have a chance in that environment to pump. Now, we can look at Bitcoin dominance next. Let's hide the crystal ball now. I think it's no use for it. We hit 60%, which was an important level if you look left, and we initially reject. I have a weekly EM? No, I don't have it. I have straight up testing 60% and rejecting aggressively from that level. But not a clear EM, not a clear reversal. It's a V-top there. Will be retested at some point in time, sooner than later. Just my 2 cents. Look left. Here we had an M, breakout, retest. Here we had another W. Here we had W's, here we had M's, Here we had a V top that we are retesting now. I think most cases Bitcoin dominance loves to see M's and W's. So I'm betting that we'll retest the short reload zone 60% from below. We'll test it again, and if we'll beat M out, I think we can do something like this. Yeah? And then to push back to, I don't know, 55, maybe 50. If we'll reach 50 this year, that will be a gift for us, people. That will be a gift because altcoins will pump really nicely. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance on weekly from my perspective. Now, well, my journal is helping me a lot, Stefan. I'll tell you that. I have a journal not only to log my trades, but I have a daily journal. Well, I'll put there what I see over the day, what I see strange in the market, what I see special, how I feel, if I do stupid mistakes, things like that. And looking back on the last cycle, well, I know it'll become violent and more violent. Now, on daily, still not the best yen possible. You can see we have a higher high here. And just grinding down and down and down. I prefer more than that. If it's all we got, well, we have last chance challenge, we have road to financial freedom, we have a lot of bags that will say thank you and will grow. So I'm not upset if we will go straight down. I'm still hoping, like I said, on weekly, on higher time frame, I'm hoping for a retest, and then this retest will be a buying opportunity for altcoins. Well, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is the next one. People, I know it sounds kind of boring what I'm doing here, but trust me, it's the correct way to do the overview. I'm doing this overview, this kind of overview from a long time. Well, look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Here in this area I was live streaming with Brian, and I said, well, it's a range. We didn't retest the long reload zone. Probably will retest that at some point in time. Well, we are there now. We are retesting. I said multiple times, don't be bearish in this area. I'm still waiting for a weekly W. We don't have a weekly W, but we have some signs here. You can see a W on RSI. You can see the OBV is trying to make some W's. On daily chart, we have some rejection. I said here, don't be bearish here, don't be bearish here. I'll say it again. It's not the time to be bearish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And I need to say that as low as possible, because here in the top, or when we are pumping, nobody is bearish. When we are dropping, everyone is bearish. But the location here is kind of ugly. We are 78.6 long reload zone. So we should look for long ideas there. Okay. Now, Ethereum versus dollar. Let's take that one on higher time frame and let's see what we have. I'll start with weekly, just to see the overview. Well, people, we are retesting this level. We are trying to retest now. Let's hide the ink. We are trying to retest these highs here. Yeah, if you put this high and this low, we have a short reload zone here, and okay, it's a short reload zone. But if you compare it to Bitcoin and everything else, I think we'll just blast to these levels. And we'll test sooner than later, we'll test these levels. We'll test 5K. Will be an important level, okay, but I think it's like a magnet now for Ethereum. So don't think short on Ethereum at all. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, we can have some SFUs here, yeah, possible. But short-term rejection. Overall, looks clean from my perspective. On daily chart, well, on daily we have this pattern here, AB equals CD, and you can see the target is a previous high here, okay, the high from beginning of the year. Or imagine Bitcoin is at 100K and Ethereum didn't reach that high. I think Ethereum has some recovering to do. It's fighting this EM for the moment, but that could change pretty fast. So please don't be bearish on Ethereum here. I know people they want now to see Ethereum back at 2,800. If something bad will happen, it's possible. That will stop the market at 2,800. But if everything will keep pushing higher, this one will not look back. Ethereum will go up and up and up and will grind higher and higher. The longer the consolidation, the bigger, the stronger the pump. You should know that. Now, on daily, you can see higher lows and higher highs. That means a trending market. That means an uptrend. That means an uptrend channel, an AB equals CD, and so on. Indicators, a potential divergence here, but potential it's equal to 0 in this kind of environment. Here's my 2 cents. Hey Andrei, nice to see you. Well, people, if you want and you like, you enjoy this kind of live stream or this live stream, please hit that like button. It's a public live stream, so that will help us a little bit. Now, let's start with total market. Yeah, let's start with total market on weekly. This one is telling us on weekly. Let's hide everything else. Yeah. This one is telling us we are officially in a bull market here, people. We had this consolidation and everyone, well, it's bearish, it's too long. Even traders with a lot of experience said, well, this to be a flag is too long, it's too ugly. Well, really? Okay, if you say so. Yeah. This was a bullish pattern, textbook one. And we accepted above the all-time high from 2021. We are officially in a bull market. Officially, market is prepared for an exponential move. Just look at it. No, just look at it. Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. I should chase? No. But we have a new high. To create a new high, new money has to come in. To create a new high, market has to be strong. Hey, Matt. Yeah. So we are officially in a bull market. From last week, we closed the weekly candle above the previous high last week. Let's put the ink back and you can see short reload zone. I don't have any point to keep that one. It's not valid anymore. Nothing is valid here. Long reload zone, well, was valid. No, it's not. AB equals CD is valid now. I have an AB equals CD on lower time frame. Okay. I need to go on daily. There you go. What we did here, we did an AB equals CD, AB. We pushed above the all-time high. We closed above. We retested that level as a support and we are pushing higher. Now, as we speak on daily, we are making new highs. Look at it. Today we made a new high on total. You think that's bullish or is bearish? Here's my 2 cents. Okay, so an AB equals CD, aggressive one, indeed, it's possible. Total 2, kind of similar, but on weekly we have a different overall. Why? We didn't took the high. So we are still in the 78.6 short reload zone. But that could change pretty fast. If you put an AB equals CD from 500 billion to 1.2 trillion and you'll do a CD, you'll see that is pointing out above this level. Same pattern, yeah, consolidating this one. This is a sign of a really strong market. When you see AB consolidation like this, the CD usually gets violent, it's strong. Total 3, recovering. Yeah, recovering some ground. You can see it's above 78.6, so it's a bit stronger than total 2. That's because, I don't know, Ethereum baby, it's a bit weaker than the rest. No? So, AB, CD completed. We completed the big one, the AB equals CD, on a total 3. Now, if you are going on daily chart, let's find the daily. Well, we have the same aggressive AB equals CD on lower time frame, on daily. AB, consolidating, CD. It's possible? Yeah. We'll accept above this level? Probably. It's good for our spot bags? Definitely. We can make a lot of money if we'll accept above that level? Yes. Especially if you have last chance challenge, road to financial freedom. We'll hit our short levels. And from that point, we should look to sell on house levels. I'll get there, don't worry about it. So total 3 looks even better than total 2. DXY on daily is fighting 105 and 110. I'll put weekly just to see what I see on higher time frame. Okay, so we have a range here. We are fighting in this range, but at any point in time it's possible for us to hit 110. We'll see. ES 500 on weekly chart, you can see strong uptrend, really strong, almost exponential, or we can just call it exponential here. On daily, we are kind of similar. People, you cannot be bearish here when you see higher highs and higher lows. Previous all-time high was a resistance, it's support, we pushed, we retest, we pushed higher, we retest the previous level, we are pushing higher, we made Friday, we made a new high, a new all-time high. I don't know, you can be bearish here in this environment? No, I can't, sorry, it's strong. I need yams, I need something. We had this yam and I said, well, watch out because it's usually a fake out. We'll retest the previous support and we'll push higher. We'll see next week that you are trying to accept and close the daily candle above the previous high. That means technically a new high. We'll see. Slow and steady. Okay, that's the overview on what we do every day. Yeah, what I said, let's stay on weekly. Now, before you will jump with the requests, if we still have requests, I'll do something on speed, let's call it that way. Yeah, I don't think it's the case to talk too much about day trading here, about swing trading. It's weekly crypto review after all. But we have a weekly W list made 1 week, 2 weeks ago. It's not, doesn't contain everything, but contains some nice names with some nice weekly W's and waiting for retest. So what I'll do, I'll go here on weekly chart, and I'll start this list one by one. I'll not stay too long on each and every one. Why? They're looking kind of similar, people. So to blab away too much about similar chart, I don't think is the case. So let's see how fast we can go through that list. We have half an hour, let's see. We have time for requests, don't worry about it. So first of one is REN. And on this one, we made this week a double. We made nice money on this one. Yeah, rumors, well, we'll get delisted from Binance. And so what? So what? It's on KuCoin, it's on other exchanges. Well, Binance, it's up to them if they want to delist it. I said it's a buying opportunity. On lower time frame, you can make some money. But on weekly chart, we had this level to buy. If you set your level here, when I posted, you got this level and look at it. 043, and look where they stopped on spot. On futures is a different thing. The market reacts differently. But on spot, you bought here, you sold half on a double, you have a free bag already. Yeah. On futures, you can play, okay, but you have to play with Holy Grail. And people made money on futures as well. So, I don't know. I think it was a good idea to do it. If you remember, Reef did a similar move. Huh? Binance will delist it, everyone was shorting. Well, it's a nice opportunity, it's short, let's short it. You know what happens next. They'll clean it up really fast. So this wasn't an exception. This one, they did it once, and I think they could do it again. So REN, at this level, you can see where the buy little old lady dollar cost average level is. We can do more than this double. I think we can do a better job, but because of the delisting, it's pretty violent. The next one. Alex, at the end, we are doing the request. Now I'm watching this list, and remember me at the end of the live stream, please. I'll take a look at most of them. Chili's. You can see what is happening here. We had a weekly W here, wasn't the textbook, nice reaction, but look at this big one. And people are asking, will it retest this level? You are so bearish? People, I'm not bearish. That's a buying opportunity. That's not bearish. I'm waiting with a limit order here to get the final bag. I have chilies in my bag, but I'm hunting with a limit order here. Maybe I could get more. Respecting the risk management properly. If you don't respect risk management, just close everything, go back on daily job. 9 to 5, you'll do better. So this is a nice one. Flow, look at this one. Weekly W breakout. It's in the breakout phase. Where will probably stop? A bit higher, I think. Short reload zone probably. But this, I don't need for the market to stay here and consolidate. I need the market to do something like this, people. Stop here somewhere and fast, touching this level, and then could go to the moon. I'm just hoping, keep in mind what I'm saying, hoping for that level to be retested. Usually we get an Wyckoff check. Let's hope it's the case now. Similar, look at this one. W's, W's, W's. I said, well, it's looking bullish. Breakout. We'll retest here, look left, we have some resistance. Okay, maybe we can get some. Similar at this one. Similar at Loom. You can see the weekly W there. You want me to keep the indicators? Everything looks similar. Now weekly W's with bullish OBV, bullish RSI. Metal, look at this one. Similar. RSR, even this motherfucker is pushing. STX, similar. This is stronger than the rest, but still, the weekly W is there. Look at AMP, similar stuff. Look at MUBI. I posted this one yesterday. Yesterday or 2 days ago. Was exactly at the entry. And I said, buy MUBI here. I even showed the premium members. People, put your money where your mouth is. I bought that level. So it's up to you. I bought the breakout. I'm hoping for a retest. Yeah, from now on, I don't care. But if you are not in, don't chase here. Wait for a retest. Similar on Wild. You can see. When was here, everyone was asking where to buy. And I said, people, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'll draw my long reload zone. My altcoin long reload zone, which means 78.6 and 88.6. And I said, can you see me waiting here? Some people said yes. Some people said, you are stupid. Fuck. This one will never come back to that level. Okay. Well, look at it. Took that level, made a nice W, another W. This is the breakout level. So if the market, if you're lucky, and the market will come back down at $2, that will be a damn buying opportunity. If we'll come back. ONT. Look at the weekly W. Kava, similar level, similar chart, similar everything. This one, peer. Huh? I was even discussing with a friend. He said, well, fuck it. I have a lot of peer and it's not moving. You want to sell it tomorrow? Well, no. So what's the hurry? Well, it's not moving. Well, we'll move. Just be patient. Don't chase. He has even a better level than me on the dollar cost averaging price. But he doesn't have patience. He wants, well, I bought, let's move, let's go, let's do 100x. Doesn't work that way. The market, you can buy, you can decide two things. When to when to get in and what amount. And where to set a stop loss if you want. The rest is not your decision. It's up to the market. You can modify what you can decide. Well, how much money I want to risk. That's your decision. But if market will pump tomorrow, if it will pump at all, or it's not your decision. Sorry. So if it's not your decision, just don't think about it. Nothing you can do about that. So peer, again, W, breakout, retest, textbook one. IXS is pushing higher. We can see $6, 5.5, I think so. We don't have a retest yet on that W. RLC, again. 1 inch. Everyone will say, well, this one is dead. It's not moving. Will never happen. this one is going to zero. Well, tell 1 inch that the zero, it's in the other direction, it's pushing higher. So the guys who told me in the past, and there are some people even here, they said, well, I think 1 inch is last, it's just the old shitcoin from last cycle will go to zero. Well, go and tell 1 inch now that is going in the wrong direction, please. I have a nice bag of 1 inch. Anyway, next one. GMT, look at the weekly W. People, we don't see, if you look back in the chart, you don't see weekly Ws everywhere. When you see them, hunt them like a hawk. Pay attention. And now is the time to pay attention. DYDX, they had some problems, but you can see the chart is telling us that they don't have problems anymore. Luna 2. Okay, Luna 2. I know it's a shitcoin. I know this one is the will get some emotions from you. But well, let's take the last W. What happened here? We had a W, a breakout, a retest, and then they pushed higher from 55 cents to 128. More than enough to get a double. W here. What do you think will happen? Don't make me go on more in the left side. Ape, similar. I know, especially Miku was saying aggressively here about Ape. He even studied the community. Well, the people are developing, the price is going down, but they're active, they're strong. Well, I could see that now. But I could tell you what, Miku has the average below $1 and now he's happy, he's dancing. You know, on Discord we have that monkey dancing. So imagine that's Miku dancing in his home now, looking at all his investments. Phil, similar, and I talked about, well, you cannot dance, but we can imagine, Miku. So nothing will stop us for imagining that you are dancing. And also you can imagine that you are dancing. Weekly W, breakout and retest. On Phil. He's not dead. Some people told me a couple of months ago, well, Paul, you are looking at the old shitcoins, they're dead. Okay. Gala, look at that W. Just look at it. Consolidation, small W, breakout. I'm not going to chase this one. But if we'll do what I'm hoping to do, I don't care if we'll push higher. What I care about is retesting with a week that level or close to that level. And then it could go to the moon. Okay? I have a nice bag. Don't think I'm waiting for the retest to buy my bag. There are some people that they didn't bought. And maybe they'll have a chance with the retest. But I have my bags almost full. I'm at 80%. So imagine that I'm dancing like Miku. Not with Miku. I don't want to dance with Miku. But like Miku. And my back doesn't hurt. Another weekly W. Look at here. W's. Okay. We are bullish. We are strong. Combo. Look at that one. Textbook one. Look at Lit. Look at Alice. Again, another shitcoin. People said, well, it's dead. Look at it. It's still dead, in their opinion. Will be alive when we'll get in the short reload zone. You'll see beginners or moon boys asking where to buy. Well, Alice is recovering. Where I should buy it? Here, motherfucker. Here, at the lows. There, here you should buy it. Anyway. Next one. Similar. Pixel. Look at this one. Look at this one. Where we bought it, where it is, and what was my target. Well, still didn't reach my target, but anyway, you can see now the weekly W's. Let's put the level. This is the level I want to buy if we'll come back. 16 cents. Okay. But I'm not waiting for that retest. I'm not waiting. I'm waiting for that retest, but I have a lot of bags here. Even trades on Pixel. Zen. Look at this one. And if I remember correctly, we discussed this W at the entry. No? VIP people, tell me, we discussed Zen in the past? Some of you still have a good bag of this one from here. Anyway, next one. Hot. Old shitcoin from the last cycle. Look at the last W and remember when we discussed, we'll retest probably this level. We retested in 2023. We retested again that level. We made a weekly W. We are breaking out. Cannot be, look stronger than that. Look at this one. Okay. Let me go and zoom in. Similar. Usually, if you look back, you'll see that we usually get a retest. Not every time, but BNT looks similar. Let's speed it up a little bit. Yeah, OMG is looking similar. People who want to see the list, or they could watch the live stream again. OMG, look at this one. Similar. Similar on ATA. Similar FLM. Similar on NKN. This one was from someone in the live stream, a request. And I remember this one was looking really nice. Similar on BAL, another dead coin. Similar on TLM. Similar on HIGH. And I was posting this chart at the entry. Again, look at this one. TIA. TIA is looking similar. Waiting here, you remember TIA? Similar like what the Wild. I said, look at this one. It's in the top. I want here. I'll wait here. And now I want a gift here. Well, seems like no gift for me. I'm asking too much. But look at the W's there in the long reload zone. Exactly at 78.6. You think it's important? Magic is not dead. It's live again. Look, last time when we had kind of a W, what happened? It's similar this time probably. Dent, even the old Dent. This was a shitcoin last time that pumped from nowhere. I remember I had some Dent and I would say, well, this one is never pumping. Stupid decision to buy Dent. There are a lot of coins in the market and blabbing away and feeling sorry for myself, and all of the sudden start pumping. And then that coin pumped. Pumped really nicely. Made nice money. You think just because I made nice money, I'll buy it again? Of course I will. Just give me a retest of this W. SNX. Yeah? We have a trade, but we are talking about weekly Ws. Look at the weekly W. Here. If we'll get a retest, that's a buying opportunity. And we have a couple of more. Portal. Look at that W. People, if it's too boring, sorry, nothing I can do. I have to finish my list because I consider, in my stupid opinion, that it's important to discuss the coins with weekly Ws. Look at this one. Look at LDO. Yeah, we have a trade. Yeah, we made some money. Yeah, we are here day in, day out, so we can find some nice entries. But look at the weekly W. W, 135, 1.7. You can see the market coming back and give us an entry? I can. Dimension. Weekly W, and we are looking at this LJ. Give me a W again. But we have the consolidation and the breakout. It's a new high because we closed the weekly candle last week above this high. A retest will be a buying opportunity. Lina, old shitcoin, is not pumping. Well, it's pumping. Look at it. Band, similar stuff. So similar here. W's, pumping, retest will be a nice opportunity. Even Bake, people, look at this is Bake. This is an old shitcoin from the life cycle. Started a lot higher, and now it's 30 cents. Has the chance to get back in the short reload zone in the top? I think it can. I'll sell half on a double just to get a free position. But I think it's possible to make some nice money on it. And we have a couple of more. Res, look at this one. Kind of aggressive W here, but it's there. Look at the OBV. Similar here. Valid W. Look at this one on Mina. Look at this one. This is textbook one. Look at the W. Breakout, waiting for retest. Like I said, most of them look similar. Mavia, you remember this one? I posted at the entry on Mavia and I said, buy the weekly W breakout. Anyone from Crypto Traders Arena has Mavia? I think. If you didn't manage to buy this level, you should chase here. No, you should wait for a retest and then you should buy it. And I think Alpha, it's another one. Wait, and the long reload zone is too high. Alpha usually had bad habits to pump all of the sudden and doesn't give you an entry. I know it's hard to trade, but pumps really nice. Even SSV, if you remember Noodle Strudels, you know what I'm talking about. If you are from Discord, you know who's the guy I'm calling Noodle Strudels. Yeah? He pumped, he said in this environment, well, this one is the best one, best tech. Buy it. Really? Well, I think I'll wait. And look at the weekly W. Yeah? Weekly W breakout. And I posted this one at a similar fucking level exactly at the entry, at the breakout. Now it's at $33. Don't chase it. And we have Luna. I don't know if you know how many Luna. But look at this one. Yeah. W, weekly W, breakout and retest. Just look at it. I'm not saying we'll go back to 120 level. Yeah. But I think from 50 cents, from 40 cents, we can get a fucking $5. That's a 10x. If we'll get to $10 or I don't know, maybe even higher, because it's possible, it's about crypto, we'll make a lot of money. I know a motherfucker, it's just joking, it's one of our friends that made a lot of money on Luna and USDT until now. Some people don't have a portfolio with the money he made only on Luna and USDT. Just playing safe, just playing cool, just buy the dip and be impatient. And when he didn't know what to do, he knocked and said, Paul, what the fuck I do here? Because I don't know, I don't have experience. And he listened and he made a lot of money. So it's possible to make money. I'll be damn sure I'll add more on Luna if I'll get the opportunity here. Okay, I think that's the last one. Yeah, last ad was from today and I added Luna here. Don't chase here, wait for a retest. Well, didn't take long, 20 minutes. Just to briefly see the levels. Well, people, our focus, I'll repeat over and over again. Our focus should be now on higher time frame. I know everyone wants to learn to be a day trader. Well, you have to be a swing trader first. But nobody is saying that it's not okay to learn how to trade. Yeah? Nobody is saying that. But focus on higher time frame to make the money. So that will give you enough breathing room to learn how to trade. Because the bearish environment will come sooner than later. And you'll see what trading is really about. Don't consider yourself a trader in this fucking environment. This is up only. This is stupid environment. Buy and hold and you make money. You cannot call yourself a trader and give up to your job because you are a successful trader in this environment. That's a mistake. Make enough money on the investment. Stay close. Maybe we manage to get close to the top, to get an exit close to the top, to book some money. Book a Capua 1 to learn how to trade for the next year. Because Couple one will keep your mind occupied to learn how to trade, and you'll not fuck around with your investments. So you'll do a lot of things, being patient with your investments, learning how to trade, and you'll be prepared to start again in the ranging environment if you really want to be a swing trader. I'm keeping the price until the end of the year at the same level for couple one. It's too cheap, people. It's 4 months work. It's cheap. You get 1 year premium membership. So actually, you are paying me below $500 for 4 months of my work. You think that's expensive? I don't know. Just imagine. I'll not do that offer again. I could tell you that. I'm doing especially for the people that, mostly for them, for the people who are with us in the bear markets. Maybe some of them didn't have enough money to pay for a couple one. Now they have. Now they don't have any excuse. If you took last week trades, for example, you should have. But it's not sustainable for me to do that offer over and over again. Now, that being said, we can go on lower time frame to see what we have. But first of all, let's look at this plan. We are still here, people. In this plan says clear. We'll use little already to accumulate free coins. This involves buying low, sell half on a double. First shot, and repeating the process for the entire duration of the bear market. How I could tell that the market is changed? Putting some limit orders in the market never give me a reload, a fill. And the second part says that we need weekly Ws, and I prefer monthly Ws, big wide ones, to put the house levels. Some of them, they have that big W, some of them don't have that wide W. So I'm still waiting. Well, yeah, Abdullah. I think, let's take a look at that. I'll finish talking. So I'm still in this part, but I'm thinking, let's wait and see if we'll get in the next one. Okay? And the next one, we'll do an overview. We'll draw the house levels. And we'll say, well, we'll sell 10% at this first one. I'll sell 10% to the next one. Waiting in meantime for P cycle top. You know that we follow this plan week by week. For the moment, we are still here, assuming that, and I think Miku did his job, and we have the... where you are? I know I have it somewhere here. Where is... this one? Yeah, we are still below. We don't have free money. That's the problem. Okay? We still don't have free money. Yeah. Minus 67. So we don't have enough shots for us to reload. That's the idea. We have locked $700 from this plan in orders. So next year, let's see what happens in December. Next year, in January, we can start reviewing the coins again and doing the same stuff. Now, I'll do the request from Abdullah and I'll put waves here. But because I trust him, I'll put it directly here. Waves. And I know waves is... the problem with waves is not on Bitcoin, on Binance. It's only on KuCoin and other exchanges. Now we have waves on weekly. Look at it. We even have the drawings here. Power of 3 here. Look at it. We framed this range here long time ago. We said about power of 3. I think Abdullah has some waves from these levels. I have some waves from here. Will retest? Well, hopefully it will come back down to retest this level. If it's a power of 3, technically we should see something. Retesting, and then here it's the buying opportunity and then to the moon. Technically. Okay? It's looking nice, and not only waves. There are more coins on different exchanges that they have nice consolidation and a breakout now. Okay, we talked about Kappa 1, we talked about the road to financial freedom, we did the review. Let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. I'm on 4 hours Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We hedge here, we close 50% here, we still have 50%. If you did like me, moved your stop to scratch, you're out from the hedge. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake. But we longed with Mountain Man here. Made nice money. Here, I said, we'll play the shark. We are still in kind of profit here. Not too much, but we are still playing. You want to see what's the difference between premium or general? Let's say premium and VIPs. Well, I could show you. It's the perfect example. Don't think it's something special, but it's on lower time frame. If you are sharp enough, you can participate in that one. Well, let me show you. Well, this was the trade I posted for VIP. I discussed it in the VIP room. This W here. And the market now sits at, let's see, here. Well, if you kept, I'm not saying you'll do that, but if you kept the trade until now, you will have 9-1. I'm expecting from the VIP, maybe they should have 25% from the original trade if they didn't close it completely. But you can see, that's the difference. Okay? So, we still have that offer on December and January for 25% off. No cap for this time. I know some people said, well, no cap on VIP, Paul, you'll accept all the people. Just for this offer. Because we'll select from the people that they are now in VIP, they'll select themselves. Some of them they'll not be able to follow. Some of them will say, well, it's not for me. And I think at the end, I will be left with 20-25 people, good people that they are able to follow on VIP. So overall, it's a good thing. The quality of the calls, they are still good. You can look at the journal Stefan is posting. And I'm starting to post there also on lower time frame. What you see here on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, this is for premium members. Yeah, that's the core of the community. Premium members, they have this one, they have this one, they have this one. I think they are doing really well. You want to see how I'm keeping my charts usually in the session? Well, something like this. Yeah, and you can see this is Bitcoin here on 4-hour. I have Tao long from here. Set another entry here for premium members. FAT, you can see we are from here. And this one, I think I changed it. I did something because should be with another altcoin here in profit. I think TIA or something. I don't know. Let's see, 5-minute chart. Anyway. That's the idea. That's how I'm trading. Holy Grail is still the best tool. If you have a trend, people, yeah, if you have a trend, Holy Grail is your best friend. It's that simple. And some people started to enjoy it, to love it. Yeah, I see Bochan is becoming a fan of Holy Grail. Yeah? And more people are saying, well, that's a damn good tool in an uptrend market. I'll use it over and over again. Even David decided that he doesn't need a tutorial anymore. He will start using the Holy Grail without a tutorial. So good job, David. Nice to see that you let that aside and you are trading with Holy Grail. And by the way, I'll do a tutorial. I don't know. I just said I'll do it too many times. Okay, so that's what I have in my in front of me. That's what I'm seeing in the market. Usually we get some volatility at the end of the week. Keep in mind, that we had the monthly close yesterday, this week should offer us some volatility. Not necessarily a good thing. Maybe an entry. If the market will pump, take some profit off. If the market will dump, prepare some entries. It's that simple. Okay? Now, if you have some requests, but please on higher time frame, don't ask me about 4-hour chart because it's not the right environment for that. This is weekly crypto review. If you want on lower time frame, come tomorrow in the daily crypto plan, tomorrow on every day of the week, and I'll take your request. Sorry, Naji, I'm not using 3 days. So if you ask me something, I'll do it on my own way. I'm on weekly and I'll do Jupiter. Jupiter stablecoin. No? Well, you can see what I see here. We are on this one from the day one because we got the airdrop, some of us, most of us. Pump, back down in the 61.8, pumped again. This is the initial pump. Weekly W's, breakout, retest. Technically, we should push higher. Practically, I will not chase Jupiter at $1.2. Just not for me. You can see I draw at another level here. Another long reload zone. If you come back and retest the weekly W's, then okay. Remember that Jupiter has another airdrop in 1 month or 2 months. So keep in mind that. For an investor, it's too high. For a trader, if you trade it on lower time frame with Holy Grail, 50-minute chart or 1 hour. Okay, that's the idea. But for an investor, I think it's too high here. Why I'm saying that? Well, first of all, we had a lot of opportunities to buy it. We had a lot of opportunities just to enjoy the airdrop and don't fucking sell it, because I know a lot of you sold that one. I don't know why. It's free. It's already a free bag and you sell it. Up to you. We had a weekly W here. Technically and practically, we should have a lot of Jupiter now and just enjoy the ride. If we'll come back down here below $1, okay, I could add a little bit more. Yeah, looks strong. The community is strong. The hype is still there. Jupiter is working really nice. I know some people are complaining about Jupiter, but I'll let other people tell you what happened in the last two launches on Ape terminal. I was the only one being able to buy the first seconds with Jupiter. BonkBot and other platform and other things didn't work. And Jupiter give me 10x with the right settings, of course. By the way, if you are a premium member, look out, Bochan posted something for tomorrow. Yeah, we'll discuss in the New York live stream and we'll try to be fast as usual. Yeah, if we'll succeed, I don't know. But tomorrow in the New York live stream, I'll explain again my settings. I don't know if they are important. I think they are, but I will explain them again. What I set up before I'll get the contract address. I think this time, if I'll set a new address, I don't want to give up my one of the phantom address I have. I prefer to have a new one. I could do it live, so I could transfer some. Solana on a new address, and I'll try to do it in the live stream on Discord. We'll see. So watch out for that. I think this week, next week, we have 2 free and fair launches. It's not for everyone, but for the people that they are able to play it. Well, last time I said I'll invest 1 Solana, and I was able to fast in a couple of minutes to take out 10. And I still have some Solana there. Some coins. Okay. let's not bring the discussion on the meme coins and new launches. Let's stay on higher time frame. Now, Stefan, normally you should not have right to ask any request from me. Not you. Yeah? But if you insist, LJ, W, weekly W. Don't chase here, you can see 147, 1.3. It's a good level. If you come back down, don't chase here. You can chase with Holy Grail, 15-minute, 1 hour time frame. Default settings, don't ask me about settings. Default settings, that's why I made a new, I made Holy Grail for Crypto Traders Arena. You can see it here. So, yeah, Stefan, AB equals CD almost completed. Let's wait for that retracement, for that consolidation at 1.5, 1.4, and we can get another entry. We have some spot. We have a lot of spot, and AI narrative is getting some steam behind it. So yeah, I could see Fed to $3. I could see Fed to $10. I could see Fed to more than that. Okay. Okay. Any other request? So Jupiter is looking nice, but not low enough for me to invest. I have a nice bag of Jupiter. I have, I don't know, 5 or 6 Solana wallets with Jupiter in them. Well, you said OMI. OMI from what? OMI Sego? Or I don't see anything else. Don't tell me about DeFi, please. I could tell you that. It's cheap. Nothing more than that. No weekly W, nothing on OBV, nothing on anything. This coin, for the moment, looks like it's left there to die. It's abandoned and, well, die in peace and agony. When you see stuff like this, W's, then yeah. When you see W's like this, then yeah. Here, I don't know, could go 10 times lower from your investment. It's 3, you can see 3 zeros, 3, 4, 7, 2. We can go to 5 zeros and 7, 2. So I need the weekly W to even think about touching something like that. If you have some intel about that, well, maybe you know something we don't. You can start dollar cost average, but watch out. I don't see reversal yet. Reversals mean weekly Ws. Simple as that. I'm looking at the chart. I don't know anything about this one. I didn't knew that this one exists. Okay, so sounds like someone left it. Okay, die there on OKX and yeah. I see here something on perpetual on Binance. I prefer Binance every time, but well, you can see weekly W was here at 10 cents. Now it's at 17. You had the retest in October. Chasing here, well, I don't know if it's wise. Waiting back to retest this level. I think here you can do a long reload zone or a pump chaser zone. I'll put here the long reload zone. If you know what pump chaser zone is, you are my guest to try to get an entry. You have to go on daily and put the pump chaser zone. But you can see long reload zone, confluence with this level, confluence with the initial weekly W breakout. The problem I have here is that we had a breakout and the retest already happened. Hope for another retest. It's that simple. If you want to chase it, Holy Grail 1 hour. But we had the weekly W, it's reversing, it's making higher highs and higher lows. No. Well, I talked about Tia. Sorry, the hash or love. Or I already talked about Tia. A weekly W, breakout and retest. Wait for the retest. Big time. That's the idea here. When you are asking for the targets, you ask me to bring my crystal ball, put it in front of my computer and start chanting. Come on. I just told everyone that I need weekly and monthly W's to see the house levels. Phantom? Well, why not? There you go. What do you want me to say about this chart, Catalina? What do you want me to say about this chart? You can see this line here at 50 cents. We discussed this in the past. I think we did. That's why we have the line. Now here, no, I'm not chasing FTM here. I know a guy that's really happy that FTM is above $1 again. I know a guy that he was so happy last week when he saw FTM above $1. And I was making fun of him, and I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I was making fun of him. I was making fun that it's about money. It wasn't about money. It was about consistency, respecting the plan, and time that is passing by us, and is the only thing we cannot get back. And he was right. Yeah. AB equals CD here. Yeah, I could see him play this one. AB, CD, we can push higher. I'll chase here, Catalin. No, not me. Trading wise, yeah, why not? Holy grail. 15, 1 hour. I'll say the same. Because I have the perfect tool, people. I don't need different tools for chasing a trend. I have the perfect one. I have to be able to use the perfect tool. You know, the problem is usually between the interface between monitor and chair. That's the problem. The keyboard pusher. That's the big problem. But I have the perfect tool to chase in a trend. Holy grail. So, investment wise, no, I need a retest. You want to see this one will take the highs here probably. But at some point in time, even if we'll take the highs, let's assume we'll take, you can see here. Let's assume that we'll take this high. Okay? You can see the long reload zone, even if we'll push all the way up here at 1.5. But if we'll just take the high and we'll reverse, we look at the long reload zone. It's at the same fucking level. I'm not chasing, nothing. Yeah, a broken one will not help me. I have my own crystal ball, but it's broken, it's not working, motherfucker, and I have to rely on technical analysis. That's why you see me here drawing lines and drawing long reload zones and taking W's. Because the crystal ball is not working. Sorry. We had a girl who was chasing the moon phases. It's back on OnlyFans, don't worry about it. Lost enough money on crypto. It's back. Now she's undressing on moon phases. When it's full moon, we'll undress faster. No? What was Marika? I don't remember the name. And some serious trader asked me about moon phases. You saw that? You are serious? Yeah, it's working. Okay, keep pushing it. I'll stay on my own way, my classic way of trading. On Japanese candlesticks and things like that. But good luck with moon phases. I just heard last week from someone from our community that he's back at her old job. Back at 9 to 5 on OnlyFans. Okay. Aevo, higher time frame. You are not from our community? I think you're not. If you are asking that question, you're not from us. You're not one of us. There you go. Was posted at the entry, guys. I just showed the people my entry. You don't know where I. You don't want to know where I enter. I entered Aevo. You want to know? Well, here in the bottom at 30 cents, 31. I was talking about Aevo multiple times. Every daily crypto plan. Wasn't a coincidence or because I fall in love, because I just saw the. So look at, that's my opinion about Aevo here on weekly. Yeah, you can see W's, weekly W's, breakout retest. Now you cannot chase. I took the breakout, and I even told people to take both ways. You can take a trade with a stop loss here, or you can take like a little old lady kind of idea. Take an entry here and stop loss to 0. Okay, so that's my opinion. Looks really, really nice. I have a nice bag, and I'm okay with that. I just decided last 3 weeks I made another plan, and I said I'll buy on KuCoin. I'm full of Binance. I want to have more exposure on KuCoin, and I just bought this one on KuCoin last time. And I bought more coins on KuCoin. Okay. Well, if you are saying Zilliqa and Mana, well, I'm here. Let's put Zilliqa. Let's put Mana, one of my favorite coins from the last cycle. Made nice money with this. I did a stupid mistake with this one, and I'll tell you what. But I made nice money. Let's see Zilliqa weekly. There you go. You know, now you understand, people, why I'm so fast of reacting when a guy like Abdullah is posting. Because I know he's not posting shit. He learned with us. So I know he's serious. So I know he's consistent. So I know I should take a look when he's posting, where he's asking something. Look at this one. W's, breakout, retest. Yeah? It's a nice fit in this list. Nothing to say more about that. Wait for a retest. Mana. Well, this one will have it already. Yeah, you can see W. We discussed this one. Well, my green area was hit multiple times. We even did the last W here. We did the next one here. Breakout. Well, don't chase there, people. Don't chase, because at any point in time, we can see a retracement on Bitcoin. 20, 30K. We don't know. It's crypto after all. And these coins will go back down. And if you are buying 70 cents and you'll see the coin at 30 cents, you bought, let's say you invested $1,000. Well, your $1,000 is worth only 500 if you market sell. That's hard to take. Really hard. Trust me. And if we'll drop a little bit more, and if we'll stay at that level, that will convince you to sell the bottom. So don't chase. It's a bad habit. I'm not telling you stories. I'm telling you from my experience. About Mana. Well, last time, the central land and Mana, same thing, was here. And I was on TRI. And a group, we are discussing to buy some fucking land on Mana. And I said, it's too expensive. Fuck it. I don't want it. Well, guess what? Guess what? Well, now it's more than 100 times more expensive. I don't know if you can buy the land. You can buy some land maybe at the at the end of the map, but the land I was able to buy then and I didn't is the middle of the map now. Full of stores and full of things. Well, mistakes, learn from them, people. And wasn't too expensive, of course, couple of hundreds of dollars, I don't know, $200-300 when I was looking at it. Now that price is not available, not even in the left corner of the map. Well, nothing I can do about it. What I can do, it's what I did. I put it in a fucking journal and I remember it and I reviewed it. And I know next time maybe I'll do better. Okay. So mana here, don't chase. A retest is possible, even probable. Wyckoff check, retest. Yeah, Wyckoff check. Go and look in Investopedia, people. Wyckoff check. And see what it means. I'll not stay in a live stream to explain you why and how. I know for myself. I'll teach in Couple 1 some people about it. But if you want to see what the fuck is about Wyckoff check, or Wyckoff in general, because he has distribution, accumulation. It's not only Wyckoff check. Go and study and see, maybe you can find something similar on the charts. But Wyckoff check is usually a good thing to wait, a retest, just to check that level. So thank you, Abdullah. Love. I hope you're not the same guy I just banned on Twitter. I hope. And if you are not, please DM me on the Discord and tell me, because if you are, you know what will happen, no? TRB. Well, long consolidation, explosive move in December 23. Back in 88.6. Consolidating, making weekly Ws. This one looks really nice and on weekly basis is even buyable. Okay, this is weekly W at 88.6. It's market buyable. If you are using little old lady, you'll make a position size that you can afford to go to 0. If you are playing only the weekly Ws, you should put a position size that fits your risk profile with a stop loss at $40. Weekly Ws, breakout, retest. It's ready to pump. Will pump now, will pump ever, I don't know. But it's buyable. Look at the consolidation here. So nice one. It's looking ready. It's market buyable. One of the few left. But why is lagging? Don't ask me. Has a reason for sure, but I don't know the reason. Why is lagging is behind the rest of the coins. Because everything has a reason. If you see a coin is strong, has a reason to be strong. If you see a coin is lagging, okay, you can go and buy that one because it didn't pump. But why it didn't pump yet? So, I don't know. To invest, buyable level. 88.6 long reload zone, really nice level. W's, weekly W's, probably even OBV looks nice. Acceptable. I cannot complain about this one. RSI above 50, accepting above 50 again, nice. An LJ trying to form on RSI, really nice. You know you can draw the levels on RSI like on the chart. Join Couple 1, you'll learn. Okay. So W the other side through 50 line, W through 50 line, again, really strong. Market buyable. So I'll put it here. Thanks for that. One more on this list. I don't see your answer, love. About what I asked. Anyway. Yeah, good level, Abdullah. Good level. It's okay-ish. Well, if you respect the risk management, you are more than okay. Okay. I just had a guy, I'll tell you the story because it's a live stream and I could talk shit here. I guess. I had a guy on reply on Twitter saying that what's my target on some coins and watch to see the DMs. And I'm not doing TA specifically for one user on Twitter. I'm just not doing that. Why I should do that? And I said no, and that guy said, well, you are behaving like you're above us, strange way, because you don't want to help us. Come on. That's victim behavior. I don't accept something like that. I don't accept discussion about that. So I just banned the guy. He said something similar on Discord. Well, because I banned him on Twitter, I banned him on Discord also. I don't accept mentality like that. Nobody is owing, I don't owe anyone anything. I know, Hasvo, 6,000 followers, it's from United States, a different behavior because I saw he likes to party. I don't care about that. But you are asking me on Twitter why I'm not answering your DMs? Come on. I'll tell you, I'm not answering your DMs. Well, you should be able to follow us on Discord and ask on Discord. And you are behaving like a bitch? Well, next one. Sorry, people. Babysitting time is over. We are close to an exponential move. I'm here to make money. You can keep the pace with me and my gladiators? Okay. If you don't, it's your business. I don't have time to babysit and give targets on Twitter. I didn't do it in the bear market. I'll not do it now. Sorry. Grow up. Grow up and grow some balls. Be a man. And a man is not made to be violent or to be strong, physically strong. A man is made to be able to keep himself accountable. Okay? Make a clear plan, respect it, and you're a man. Bitching on Twitter will not help you. Following signals from Twitter will not make you profitable. Simple as that. And I don't have time to explain 2 weeks to a guy that is behaving like a child. Yeah, I prefer to train other people that they are serious, that they are eager to learn. Sorry. So, warning for everyone else that is tempted to do that behavior. You'll get the same treatment. And I'm pretty fast up, right-clicking and banning. We have 1,100 members on Discord, almost 1,100, and I think I banned more than that until now. But if you join us and you behave nicely, you'll see the cleanest community. No shit, no stupid things, no ugly behavior, not even referrals, not even PNLs. You don't see I made $10,000. No, I made 5% from my portfolio. Well, that's nice. Some people enjoy this community. I'm enjoying this community. It's helped me a lot. Now, Abdullah just give me 2 ideas. Another guy give me 1 idea. It's just levels. I have to go and buy them. Well, people, let's take 2 more requests. Let's see. AR. Okay. So, stop waiting for someone to babysit you. Behave like a man, even if you are a girl. Behave like a man. Make some plan and make some money in this market, because that's why we are here. What I could say about this one? No weekly W for the moment. This is aggressive here. Could pump and then come back. Okay. On weekly chart, it's strong, but I don't see what I need. I'm not chasing at $24. Could go to 100. Of course it can. 91, the high in 2021, now at 24. Well, that's a 4x to the all-time high. If you ask me, if we'll come back down in the classic, in the altcoin long relow zone, I'll pay attention. Until then, I don't care. It's too high. The potential, because why didn't pump and was here from May 2021 and didn't pump $91? Why? Well, I don't know. Yeah, from this level, you didn't have anything clear. Is behaving ugly. If it's your favorite, you can put 1% in it and sell half on a double. We'll hit $50 at some point, take this high, yeah. Buy it here and sell half here and you get a free bag, okay. But I don't see what you saw my charts and you saw how they are looking and you saw this one is different. Okay, BLDP, that's the last one. Well, maybe Abdullah, tell me what is the ticker. I don't manage to get the ticker. Maybe if it's a link, send me the link. If it's on DEX. Well, people, we have 1 hour and a half. I think it's more than a stock. Okay. For you, Abdullah, this is weekly crypto review. But for you, I'll do that. And I'll go on stocks. Because I know that one is probably about crypto also. Stocks. Nasdaq. Power systems. Well, this looks like a Christmas tree. You can see it. What a ride. All the way up, all the way down. Earnings, and nothing else. I don't see splits, so should be okay. Look at this one, people. I think this one could do something. I'm looking at weekly. I want to see the location. I want to see the overall level. Good level. Look at this. I'll show you something that you can tell me whatever you want, but this is not lying. Look at it. The POC is there. POC is below $5. We are at 1. This one should fight as hell to break out from this $1 level. Why? They don't accept a stock below $1 too much time. It's on Nasdaq, yeah. So, weekly location, good location, I like it. Now let's see more than that. Well, look at it. I don't know if this is the bottom, but you can imagine that they said, well, fuck it, we'll go at $1. We don't want that. And they put a bottom here. Breakout retest, well, okay, it's buyable even at this level. So yeah, Abdullah, W here, W in OBV. Bullish divergence on RSI, love that. On daily time frame is buyable. Yeah. For a trade. I don't know more than that. I cannot say about this one. I don't know what they are doing. I didn't do my own diligence to see how many shares they have, what they are doing, what insiders are doing, because that's the proper way to look at the stock. How many shares are out? What insiders did in last year? They bought, they sold. Yeah. What level they got their bonuses? Yeah. There are a lot of things you can look at the stock. Crypto, it's a bit different. I'm not trading stocks for the moment. I'm not trading that, but I could see what you can do on stocks, which is really nice on daily time frame. You can see some gaps. And I could see a gap here at $2 and something. If I'll zoom out and I'll look back, I think there are more gaps now. Well, this was filled. Let's see one higher one. Well, we have gaps even here on daily. I don't know if we have, well, look at the gap here at $11. Look at the gap on daily. It's full of gaps. Look at this gap here. Ooh. If this one will start pushing higher, well, has room to run. That's for sure. So nice, Abdullah. Nice risk to reward. If you will get a free position, you are set. You know, we discussed the stocks multiple times. Get in a fucking free position and you are set. You can hold this stock until it will go to zero or it will go to the moon. Yeah, it's yours. You bought it, you sold half on a double, your money is back in your account. The rest is free stocks. That's the last one, people. The last request. Let's not make a habit to make it more than 2 hours, no? We have 1 hour and a half. Well, more than happy to give you my 2 cents, Abdullah. Okay? So, There are opportunities everywhere. The problem is you have to be the guy that sees, that is able to take the opportunities. And for that, we have Capo 1. And by the way, Capo 1, what you learn in Capo 1 works on stocks, works on traditional market also, because it's same shit, different pie. With the same strategies, I'm trading the traditional market. Specifically in the bear market, where I don't see the volatility on crypto, I'm trading half of crypto and half on traditional market. Now, I don't touch traditional market. Crypto is the shit. Crypto is the thing. Crypto is the thing you want to focus. For the moment. So, hit that like button, people, if you want. Share this live stream with your friends if you think you can get some value. If you want more, subscribe to the YouTube channel because you'll hear more about weekly Ws. That's the hot thing now. Weekly Ws on Crypto Traders Arena. If you don't like it, please hit that dislike button 2 times to be sure that you hit it. And that's it. Don't join next time. Okay? Nothing more I could say in a review. Just take some advantage now when it's hot, when you see the weekly Ws breaking out. Make some money, because this environment, we waited 3 years for this environment, and this environment will not last too long. Yeah, I know Miku will do that. I know Abdullah will do that. I know Stefan will do that. I know the vets on Crypto Traders Arena, they are well set with the bags full. Yeah, because I discussed with them from years, and I know they have their bags full. The rest of you, I don't know you, but I could suggest you to do the same. Whatever you'll do, keep in mind it's your responsibility. I'm not a financial advisor. Just a guy blabbing away on the internet. So, that being said, let's call it a live stream. And see you tomorrow morning on the Daily Crypto Plan. See you guys next time. Bye bye.